Can I actually create a completely original anime character using only ChatGPT? Let's find out. Hey y'all, it's your girl Missy. If you're anything like me, you've probably been fascinated by anime characters and thought, how do they even come up with these designs? Or maybe you've had a character idea in your head, but couldn't quite explain the style you wanted in words. That creative block? Oh yeah, I've been there. Now, before we dive in, let's quickly talk about anime. Anime is a style of animation that originated in Japan. It's known for expressive eyes, detailed hair, dramatic lighting, and emotional storytelling. But here's the cool part. There isn't just one anime style. You've got classic 90s anime with bold lines and big expressive eyes, modern cinematic anime with softer shading and dramatic lighting. Chibi style, these characters have tiny bodies, oversized heads, and are super cute. Cyberpunk anime has neon lights, tech, and dystopian vibes. And fantasy anime, which includes warriors, magic, and mythological elements. So, when you say anime character, that could mean a lot of different looks. And that's where ChatGPT becomes your creative partner. You might be thinking, okay, this is cool, but what would I even use an anime character for? Here are just a few simple ideas. You can use them as a faceless YouTube or TikTok host, a character for music visuals or lo-fi videos, a mascot for your digital products or PDFs, a social media profile image or brand identity, or even the main character inside your own story, game, or creative project. In other words, they're not just cute art. They can become part of your faceless brand. If you don't know already, ChatGPT is one of my favorite AI tools, and it is amazing at helping you generate character ideas, build personality traits, create backstories, describe clothing and aesthetic, refine your character's DNA. And you don't need to be a writer. All you need is a prompt or a detailed description. It's like texting a super creative friend and they respond by sending you all the deets. Let's get started. If you want your character to resemble you, upload a clear headshot as your reference image. This helps lock in your features without you having to describe yourself. I tested this using an image of my digital twin, Jomel. I started by asking ChatGPT to create an anime character who is a skilled hacker with a love for 80s music. That's the Gen X in me. Wait a few seconds and boom, you'll get an image of your character. Pretty cool, right? Want an image with more detail? Try create an anime character who is a brave warrior with a modern twist on traditional Japanese clothing. Now you're layering style. The more specific you get, the more unique your character becomes. But here's what I noticed. The character didn't fully resemble Jomel even though I uploaded a reference image. It got the hair right, but the facial features were slightly off. If that happens to you, try this next step. Okay, here's where it gets powerful. Now don't let this step intimidate you. Just follow along and take notes if you need to. We're here to learn, am I right? So here is the issue. Even though I was using Jomel's image as a reference, ChatGPT wasn't totally locking in on her features. So to fix this problem, I dragged and dropped her image into ChatGPT and asked it to describe what it saw. It responded, I can't identify who this person is, but I can describe what I see. And then it gave me this. A woman with medium brown skin and expressive brown eyes. She has her hair styled in a high curly puff, which adds height and volume. She's wearing subtle, polished makeup with defined brows, eyeliner, and a deep rose lipstick. She's dressed in a red blouse layered over a black top, wearing gold hoop earrings. Her posture is relaxed yet confident. The overall mood feels calm, poised, and self-assured. That right there, my friend? That's character DNA, a detailed description. Now, you're not guessing. You're working with specifics. Next, it was time to build my personalized anime prompt. Now, don't let the word prompt scare you. It just means a set of instructions. ChatGPT likes it when it has clear instructions on what you want it to do. Here's what I did. I copied only this section. A woman with medium brown skin and expressive brown eyes. She has her hair styled in a high curly puff, which adds height and volume. She's wearing subtle, polished makeup with defined brows, eyeliner, and a deep rose lipstick. Then I made some adjustments and created this prompt. Create an anime character who is a skilled hacker with a love for 80s music using this image of a woman with medium brown skin and expressive brown eyes. She has her hair styled in a high, curly puff, which adds height and volume, wearing subtle, polished makeup with defined brows, eyeliner, and a deep rose lipstick. She is wearing a black leather jacket with neon red stripes. I pasted into the ChatGPT description box along with Jomel's reference image and pressed the arrow to start generating the image. This generation took a little longer than expected, but most of the time it is less than 30 seconds. In this case, ChatGPT actually gave me 2 image options to choose from. But once it finished, bam! I had 2 neon cyberpunk music studio vibe images with synthwave lighting, retro monitors, and 80s energy. I chose the first generation, and just like that, meet my anime sister, Kaito, a 19-year-old hacker with a passion for 80s pop music. Cool, right? Here's the part most people don't realize. Now, I don't want to overwhelm you, but if you want to take this a step further, check the rest of this video out. Did you know that you can take that same ChatGPT prompt and use it inside other AI image generating tools like Midjourney, Hedra, Dzine, and Nano to create more variations of your character? You'll get different poses, different outfits, different scenes. Your character becomes a universe for your faceless content. Because there are so many anime styles, I decided to explore Midjourney for inspiration. You can access this tool from the link in my description. Once inside Midjourney, click on the Explore tab. You can type in anime or a specific style like cyberpunk anime or fantasy anime. Scroll through the images created by other creators until you find one that resonates with you. When you find an image you like, click it and copy the prompt used to create it. Now, there is going to be a little bit of back and forth between tools, but it's an important part. Take that Midjourney prompt you copied over to ChatGPT and say, rewrite this prompt to match me. I am describe yourself or use your character DNA. I want it to feel describe the mood, scenery, or action. ChatGPT will restructure the prompt so it fits your features, your vibe, and your aesthetic. Then take that updated prompt back into Midjourney's Create tab and generate your personalized version. I know it may seem a little redundant and it's probably not always necessary, but I do add my reference image with every prompt. Now, by having ChatGPT make those changes, you're not copying someone else's prompt. You're customizing your own. And this is how you create the magic. Now, let me point something out. This prompt gave me more of a realistic cinematic image inside Midjourney, which wasn't exactly the vibe I was going for. So I ran the prompt a few more times using the settings you see on the screen. Here are the results. Also, let me say this real quick. There is no best AI tool. There is only the tool that works best for you, based on the results you like and what fits your budget. So don't let the gurus convince you that you need expensive tools to create great images. With that being said, I decided to take the exact same prompt over to Nano because Midjourney just wasn't catching the vibe I wanted. By the way, Nano is an image generator you can access through Google's Gemini platform. It's free to try, produces amazing images, and there is a pro version if you decide you enjoy using the tool. Here are the results, and honestly, I love them. Another tool I wanted to try was Dzine. This all-in-one tool is usually my #1 go-to. I uploaded the same reference image and pasted the same ChatGPT generated prompt. Dzine actually has both Nano 2 and Nano Pro already integrated into the platform, so you have some flexibility to experiment. Here are the results. Next, also inside of Dzine, I decided to try something even simpler. A 6-word prompt. Turn this person into an anime character. While I was waiting for the image to generate, I also uploaded the anime-style image that resonated with me earlier. Then I created this simple prompt. Turn the person in image 1 into an anime character in the style of image 2. Here are the results from both generations. I think Dzine really showed up and showed out. What do you think? Okay, now the last tool that I want to demo is Hedra. Because all of these tools are in my image generation tool stack, and you can get access to them inside the description. Hedra is best known in the AI world for its awesome video animations. I mainly use it for lip-syncing my character videos, just like this one. So I used the prompt from ChatGPT, but tweaked it a little to include both my reference image and the style image from Midjourney. I also ran the 6-word prompt as well. Here are the results. Yes! I'm feeling the vibe here also. Well, if you made it this far in the video, you already know the answer to this question. Can you create an original anime character using only ChatGPT? Yes, you can. But ChatGPT can also help you get started creating anime images across multiple AI platforms. When it comes to your workflow, ChatGPT can help you. Clarify your ideas. Build detailed descriptions. Generate visuals. Refine your character's personality. Create backstories. It removes that "I don't know how to explain it" problem. Not only does it break creative blocks, but you can take the same ChatGPT prompt and use it across any image generation tool you want. The possibilities are endless. Using ChatGPT for anime character creation isn't just easy, it's fun. You don't need to be an artist. You don't need to be a professional writer. You just need imagination. A prompt or instructions, a good reference image, oh yeah, and a tool of your choice. So go ahead and try it for yourself. Now, to keep this simple, I have a generic AI-generated prompt down in the description to help get you started and turn yourself into an anime character. Don't be afraid to tweak it and play around with it. Turning yourself into an anime character is not supposed to be serious. So allow yourself to have fun. And if you do, drop it in the comments. I would love to see what you create. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI Made Easy tutorials. Oh, and before you go, inside my Stan store, I've created a free anime-style AI cheat sheet to help you generate amazing anime images like the ones you saw in this video, and many more. It includes anime-style descriptions, prompt examples, and simple use cases you can use across different AI image generators. So if you want a quick reference guide to help you turn yourself into different anime-style characters, go ahead and download it. It's completely free. You'll find the link in the description below. In this video, I show you how to turn yourself into a Pixar-style character. We're building our own faceless AI universe here, because you don't have to be seen to be heard. Until next time, I'll see you inside AI.